Assalamu alaikum, Miss friends. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, today the date is 11 June 2020 and the day is Thursday. Here I am Ma'am Amreen Khalid with my English lesson, and today I brought something new for you. Okay, because we have done unit number 1 alphabet in the previous video, and I have received few feedbacks from the student side that the ma'am the work was too much, but I know my students can do, and because that was too easy, vowel and consonant, giraffe, monkey and tortoise letter were very easy for you, है ना? You all have done in grade 1, so today I brought very easy homework for you, or just you need to do one worksheet. Okay, just you need to solve one worksheet of reading comprehension. Okay, so I brought reading comprehension for you. We will read two passages and we will answer, you will answer it. Okay, then I will give you home task, so it will be very easy for you to solve the worksheet, inshallah. So let's start comprehension, and I hope you will learn it very, you will listen it very carefully. So let's start comprehension. So here I have a paragraph for you. So let's read it, and then we have to answer the question. Reading a paragraph and answering the question related to it is known as comprehension. It is a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Many are playing in the park. A boy is flying kite. Two boys are riding bicycles. There are two dogs in the park too. There are many apples on the trees. Now, on the basis of our paragraph, we have to answer the given question. Alright, it is a rainy day today. Is it true or false? No, it is false because it's a sunny day. The sun is shining brightly. It is true. Yes, no flowers are there in the park. It is true. It is false. Many children are playing in the park. It is true or false? It is true. Two boys are flying kites. It is true or false? It is false. Because only one boy is flying kite. Two boys are riding bike. It is true or false? It is true. There are four dogs in the park. It is true or false? It is false because there are two dogs in the park. There are two apple trees in the park. It is true or false? It is true. So now we have another passage for you. My name is Joy. My uncle Moby lives in a farmhouse. I love to go there in holidays. There are many animals in his farmhouse. There are two cows and a calf. There is a horse and a mare. There are three pigs and two piglets too. There is a beautiful pond in the farmhouse. There are three ducks in the pond. Small chicks are there with a hen. A windmill is also there in the farmhouse? Let's answer the question related to the passage. Okay, so now, what is the name of the boy in the passage? The name of the boy in the passage is Joy. What is the name of Joy's uncle? The name of the Joy's uncle is Uncle Moby. Where does Uncle Moby live? So Uncle Moby lives in a farmhouse. When does Joy go to the farmhouse? Joy goes to the farmhouse in his holidays. How many cows are there in the farmhouse? There are 2 cows in the farmhouse. How many horses are there in the farmhouse? There is 1 horse in the farmhouse. How many piglets are there in the farmhouse? There are 2 piglets in the farm. Is there any pond in the farmhouse? Yes, there is a pond in the farmhouse. Which animal is there in the pond? There are ducks in the pond. How many windmills are there in the farmhouse? 1 windmill in the farmhouse. So, now take a quiz. It's time to take a quiz. Okay, so I have homework assignment for you. So what you have to do, you have to read the given worksheet carefully. I am going to give you a worksheet. You have to read it carefully and you have to take out print of it, paste it in your copy and answer the given questions. If you don't want to take out the print, you can write it in your copy. Okay, so if you don't want, अगर आपको print नहीं लेना है, आपको मुश्किल हो रही है, you can't go out of the house, so you can write the passage in your copy and then you can answer the question. Here I have the worksheet for you. Okay, and it's pushing and pulling. So you have to read the passage and then you have to answer this question. Answer these questions. Like we move things by pushing them or by pulling them. Heavy things are hard to move. Sometimes when we want to move things, we push them. When we push things, we move them away from us. Wheels make it easier to push heavy things. Engines help us to push big and heavy things. Sometimes when we want to move things, we pull them. Okay? When we pull things, we move them towards us. Wheels made it easier to pull heavy things. So who make it easier to pull heavy things? Wheels made it easier. Okay. A cart has wheels. The wheels make it easier to pull the cart. Okay. So lot of works wheels can do. Engines helps to pull big and heavy things. Engines also help to heavy big and heavy things. Trucks have engines and wheels. So cart has wheels and trucks also have engines and wheels. So here are the questions that how we move the things, कैसे move करते हैं. You have to find the answer. Okay. When we push things, we move them away from us. True है or false? And what make it easier to push heavy things? क्या चीज़ है जो easy करती है heavy thing को push करने के लिए? And what does happen when we pull things? क्या होता है जब हम pull करते हैं things को? And dash helps to pull big and heavy things, computer, engine or television. I think it will be very easy for you. Thank you so much everyone, and here is the end of our lesson.